Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ramp with AI to automate card spend summaries, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Ramp with AI for automating card spend summaries, begin by logging into your Ramp account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your account settings. Locate the AI configurations section within the settings menu. Click on the Setup AI button to initiate the configuration process. Read through the introductory prompts to understand the AI's capabilities. Select the option for Automated Spend Summaries. Provide necessary access permissions for the AI to analyze your transaction data. Review the data integration settings to ensure your card transactions are linked. Choose the frequency for receiving automated summaries, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Select your preferred summary format, like reports or visual dashboards. Decide if you want to categorize expenses automatically or manually. If opting for automatic categorization, review the available categories and enable the ones relevant to your business. Customize notifications for when summaries are generated or alerts for unusual spending patterns. Once configurations are complete, click on the Save Settings button. Test the AI setup by generating a sample summary to verify everything is working correctly. Review the generated summary for accuracy and relevance to your spending habits. Make note of any adjustments needed for improved categorization or reporting. Return to the AI configuration section to fine-tune settings if necessary. With these steps completed, you're now set to automate your card spend summaries using Ramp's AI features. Regularly check and update your settings to align with changing business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.